So this video is for a DIY time lapse of custom Venom Rex from Fortnite. So this is a mashup of the Venom Rex from Marvel Comics and Rex from Fortnite. He's not articulated to do any cool dances, or not cool dances depending on your views. But the video is going to show how this guy's done, and then stay tuned at the end of the video because this is a giveaway pop. So instructions to follow after the super fast painting of a symbiotic Fortnite Pop Rex. Ugh.
So just start with some Sculpey. I wanted to put a little tongue on here just because, you know, symbiote, venom, tongue, etc. Sculpt it in place, jam it down in those teeth, and just bake it until it's solidified. The head on this guy was a little screwed up. When I bought him, it was broken at the neck, so I ended up just popping it off as the video goes on. So you're going to start with white and just kind of get the eyes filled in. Thought it'd be sweet to have the spikes white as well, just to have a little bit of a color break, and did some of the detailing white as well, which I will cover up a few pieces later, like the knee pads, but I just wanted to try it out, see what it looked like. You'll see the heat gun pop in there occasionally just to dry some of the smaller areas faster. And hey, look, make the tongue red with red. What a mind-blowing concept. So you're going to take the black and start coloring in around the details just to get some cleaner lines. Know where you're going to go, and then I start stenciling in, I guess, around the eyes, or marking off the eyes with a smaller brush. I add some veins around the eyes just for some extra detailing. Just took a little toothpick and slowly marked them in there just to give them some, just to break up that plain face look. Also add a little bit of gum detail here, just kind of taking a toothpick and slowly marking some bright pink just around the tops of the teeth where they meet the lips. And here's a fun little way to add some easy drool effects. Just heat up some hot glue, drip it on the mouth and the teeth area, kind of wiggle it around a little bit so it starts to drip down. You can play with it as it starts to dry just to make sure it doesn't stretch too far, but it just gives you some nice drip effects there. And then I add on a little bit of watered down neon green just to give him a really early 90s Venom kind of color palette look. And then I just put some glue on the neck stump and pop the head right back on so he's ready to rock.
So thanks for watching. If you want to possibly own this little guy, just make sure you like the video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment below on your favorite Fortnite character. I'll pick a winner from the comments and people who follow those instructions the last day of January, and I'll post it up on Instagram, and I'll mention it in whatever video gets posted that week too. So win this guy. Thanks for your support. Yay.